family, how's everyone doing? If I'm looking a little ratchet, it's because I just got home from work. So I'm looking a little beat up. But I know you guys don't mind anyway. So I wanted to share this immediately because I just received my Grove. And I am so excited to try some of these products because I received some new stuff and I am really eager to try this stuff out. So let's dive in. So I received this time the lavender hand soap. I've received that before and I absolutely love it. So I'm happy about that. I have the geranium room freshener. Happy about that because I actually love this stuff. Oh my God, I want to spray some right now. Right now. And it has like a little, for those of you that are not sure, when you receive the room sprays, it has like this little nozzle here and you can open and close it. So delightful. Okay. I also, so I received two geranium. Okay. Two geranium room fresheners. It's all right. They don't go to waste. Believe me, I use everything. And two lavender hand soaps. Yeah, and I did this on purpose. One for each bathroom. Two lavender hand soaps. I received and this is my first time trying this scent in basil, the basil dishwashing liquid. I've never tried, I don't think I've ever tried. Yes, I have. And I like it. That's why I purchased it. Yep, basil. I like that. I like that scent. It's really nice and clean. I love it. This is the first time I've ever tried this scent. It's called Bluebell, the Bluebell multi-surface cleaner. And I've never smelled this. I have no idea what this scent is like. Oh. Okay. That's different. It smells sweet. Smells familiar, but I like it. That's nice. It has a nice, clean, sweet smell. All right. Can't wait to try that. This is one of my all-time favorites, the Daily Shower. I always purchase this. I always make sure that this is in my box. And that might be a little open. Okay. And this is also a favorite of mine, the Method Antibacterial Toilet Cleaner. Love this stuff. And this is in the scent Spearmint. I usually get either Spearmint or the Eucalyptus Mint. Yeah. Don't think I've ever tried the Spearmint before, but looking forward to it. Now, this is the first time that I've ever, and I think this was a free gift. Oh, before I get into that, of course, I always purchase these because these go pretty fast. And these are the sponges. They're walnut scrubber sponges. These are pretty good. They just don't last as long as I wish they would, but they're all right. So this is the first time me trying this. This is the Method Body Coconut Rice Milk Shea Butter Simply Nourish Body Wash. Oh, people. Family, if you can get your hands on this, this is really nice. I don't know what it feels like, but this is really nice. I really like this a lot. Oh, I'm going to enjoy that. And it came with the loofah. I think this was a free gift with a white loofah. Happy about that. Also, I chose the microfiber all-purpose cloths, and they come 2 in a pack. And I can't wait to try these. Because a lot of people have raved about these and said that they were really good. So I can't wait to try these out. I'm going to try these like on my steel appliances and stuff. Can't wait to try that. And of course, I always get these. The paper towels from 7th Generation. And they come 6 in a pack. So that is it for my Grove haul. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you like the Grove hauls. And I see you guys soon. Take care.